Welcome back to our YouTube challenges. Today we're opening the lecture. We're not opening. We're seeing which one is the best electric scooter for long trips and abilities. All right. So for a second, this is the cheap one, $200. This is $400, and this is $1,000. I mean $6,000. I'm just kidding. $1,000. Look. All right. So we're gonna test with the cheap one. We're gonna test the cheap one first. Always cheap, guys. Come back to any challenges.
No, no,
Okay. So this is the cheap one. The second cheapest. I mean the second. The medium medium price. This is that was 200. This is 400. $1,000. All right. So let's gonna start with this. This costs $200. Good for it is. Top speed of 22 miles per hour. Suspensions. And we'll test that in a sec. And real back suspensions too. And that's it for this one. We're going to brakes belt. That's it. And yeah. Okay, now we're going to do this one now. This one, I've been riding this for a long time. That's why I still like that. And this one is $400. And it was good. It's good. I like how fast it goes. The top speed is 24 miles per hour.
but no suspensions.
Yeah, no suspensions. I don't understand why that's 200. Okay, this one, the real big fat machine. All right, so this is a key. Come here, guys, come here. So a key. Put in, turn it. You gotta press this. Then gives this. If you want to put in the highest mode of this thing, you have to do this. If that has really good suspensions, do two motors. There's two motors. So for single mode, this is another suspension. That's dual suspensions. So these are dual suspensions. Dual suspensions are technically like there's two suspensions, but they're really good. And this is kicks and okay, this is turn signals. There's turn signals. Showing light here. Come here, guys. Come here. Showing a light there. And has a horn. This button right here. Come here, guys. In this button here, you hear the horns. You see the horns area. That you can click that. And this is a light, so it turns on the whole light of the scooter. Okay.
That might be the night. You can show that light how it works.
Okay, so this is how you turn up the mode and the G2 master gear. Come here. This is how you put it to 40 miles per hour. So, I mean, that's trip mode. So if you have to, if you want to put, and this stays still.
How it came?
You have to like hold this and press this, and this that. So in the meantime,
You mean hold this brake?
you have to hold this brake. After you did that, then you have to turn up the mode of that. Then you hold the brake.
Can you explain it correctly?
And you just do that.
What?
First example, we're gonna turn it off. So first you want to turn off the key, and you click the on button, and brake, and hold the brake and click this at the same time. Click two times fast, and it'll see this. So you do that. So you you don't have to hold the brake. You just have to do that to turn up it. To always put on 3, that's like the highest mode. Then you do this 3, 2. You click it 2 times and you let go. Oh, hold on in a second. Yep, now it's staying still. And then that should make it go 40 miles per hour. Now we're going to start going. Let's go test top speed test. The first test is the top speed test.
So you go this way and come out like this, okay?
Then go on the road.
Yeah.
Okay.
You go that way, then
Let's go on the road.
Yeah, watch for cars and then
Okay.
come that way.
I think that's way that I go there. I have to go that way because that's the.
Oh yes.
Okay, throttle powerful. Let's test the throttle power first. Let's test throttle power. Wait, can you come here? Throttle power. Pretty powerful. 3, 2. 22 miles per hour, guys. Alright, we're gonna test another test in a sec. So now we're just gonna put this. I keep forgetting it. I'm used to my other scooter. Right. Actually, that was eco mode. We're gonna test all three modes. We're gonna test eco mode.
What is that previously event?
Sports.
Sports.
Okay, we're gonna test eco mode and drive.
Yeah. So now you are in eco mode.
Yes. The eco mode is on. I'm gonna go around like last time.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
I love to drive now.
Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
I think my old one was better than this thing. Look, it's not. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back to a cheap section. Okay, we're gonna put it on sports mode. Always gonna put this thing on sports mode. Like I think that's what we're gonna be on whole day. That's what I'm gonna be on. Okay, now let's go. 3. Okay, we're gonna go and come with this.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This
is the eco mode, right?
Fast. I can roast,
This is the
I
eco
can
mode,
gas,
right?
think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modesty. I'm not here to save the day, I'm here to take away.
Huh?
Play a million mind games,
Yeah,
but
I think
instead
that's
of saying
fair
something not
with
illogical, something that
That's
is
my
topical.
favorite.
Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams
We
are
have
irresponsible,
extra
but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be
3,
so
2,
remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top.
Okay, top speed. This can be 3 modes. We're gonna try those 3 modes. Right, so we're going to test it. It actually feels good. I'm gonna set one. Right, I'll turn it on. What is dual mode feel like? We're gonna test this. Is probably 6 tests. So we're gonna have to go 6 times because with the dual and single mode. Alright, we're gonna go single mode, and then there'll be dual. Then we have to go to mode 2 and single dual. Mode 3 single dual. Okay, ready? We'll go single first. Single's less aggressive. 3, 2, 1. That's gonna activate 2 and back trigger. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Kilometers top speed. Dual mode, it makes it go faster to 20 kilometers. So now we're going to try another one. Alright, 3. I'm excited. 3. We're gonna go single first. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, top speed is 25 miles per hour. I know 40 kilometers is 25 miles per hour. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna try dual mode. Watch this, guys. I can do it. So I get on single. I'm gonna win until no, wait, I'm just gonna do this. Cool. Let's go. 3?
I would say dual mode, right?
Yes. That was fast. 25 miles per hour. That's what happens. It's also doing front trigger. I'll show you an example like it. Alright, so now we're going to go mode 3. We're not going to go 40 miles per hour. Yeah, mode 3 single because like, and my dad will probably try to go 40 on that. I'll record my dad going 40. Since like, my dad's scared that I'm going to crash. Alright, we're on mode 3. Now put on sport. I mean single. 3, 2. This is the max mode, by the way. 3, 2. Okay, max top speed 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers per hour. Now, dual mode. I'm so scared. 3, 2. Amazing speed. Are you gonna try?
Yeah.
Gonna try going. My dad's gonna try going 40 miles per hour. Wait, you don't need a helmet. My dad thinks he's cool and looking without a cool helmet.
No, that is not right. I do not have a helmet.
Yeah, that's not right.
I don't
It's
have
true.
a helmet. That's why I'm not doing
Yeah. Or you wanna go single first or sport or dual?
it. No, dual.
Straight
The
to dual.
last one.
It's on dual, right?
Yeah.
Good dual.
It's on dual. Yeah.
Okay, ready. Okay, go. Papa, for this video, Make sure you like it, subscribe, and comment. So we'll be back there in another video. We're just gonna go there and record a video. Alright, bye guys. I hope you have a good day with these J2 Masters. Let me just do a wheelie real quick. I'm just gonna show a wheelie on that real quick, then we're gonna end it off. First, this wheelie. Guys, how much you rate that out of 10? Put it in the comments. So I have to big boy.
I think it's a run, please. Run.
See you guys in the next video. Bye!